Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Luis, Crypto Lou here. Um, right now we're looking at Bitcoin and Binance, and for me, it's kind of crazy what the news is being for the last couple weeks, pretty much, because this Bitcoin ETF is just like something that it might happen, and the news try to push down the price on the Bitcoin uh, as far as I'm concerned. So so that what we have right here right now, it's Bitcoin kind of fluctuate between 42, 41,000, and even right now it's kind of like hitting the 43,000 kind of support level at this point. So I think it's a big manipulation for the big guys, the big whales. What I see here, it's the price being pushed down to try to scare people to just sell, and I think the price is gonna go up. I'm gonna show you why I think that's gonna happen. So if you look over here, um, let's take a look on my other screen. So this is CME Group, and as we see here in the CME Group, I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know if this has much to do, but as far as I'm concerned, and price that we see right now, kind of like we have a little bit of picture. So right now we're looking at the puts. Got a one volume, which is, I don't know if there's a contract or something, but this is like, it's like here you can go like European options, weekly, Monday, weekly options, Thursday options, Tuesday, Wednesday, so forth, so on. So we're looking at the European, which is the contract expire the last Friday of the month. So if this is like something that is correct, we're looking at one contract at $42,000. So the price has to be below $42,000 for whoever put this contract in to work to make money. So it has to be below at 42. However, is he called 00 volume? So right now the only thing I see it, which is make me believe it, that the price of the Bitcoin is gonna go up. And I don't know why I don't see it over here, but I'm gonna probably check it out. A couple things over here in my setup. Am I gonna change a little bit? But as you can see, like we have a one contract, one volume right here at 45,000 and three at 47,000. That means at least three people or three big institutions, whatever, try to bet the price of the Bitcoin go over above $47,000. So meaning like this action right now is happening. Let me bring to you guys kind of like the same chart, but let me show you. This is by bit. That's actually even like, let me zoom up a little bit. By bit right now, as you can see it, the price, same thing, correlation is pretty good, same thing. But I got these indicators right here that I got in TradeView that kind of like show every time a buy position it's put on or whatever. I think it's like every time somebody come up with the position on the buy side or on the sell side. So those blocks kind of picture in. So of course I'm looking at a 5 minutes chart. So if I go deeper in the day chart, you don't see nothing going on right now. Actually, let me show you guys because I'm. So let me go back. So we're looking at 5 minutes. Sorry about that. So every time somebody put a short position, the red blocks kind of show up. When I say buy position, the green blocks kind of come up. So as you can see, a big support over here around the $42,000, $43,000. So back again, what I'm thinking is looking at the CME Group. I would say that the 45 or 47, I believe that could be something that we're going to be seeing in the next few days because they approve of the ETF from BlackRock and all the companies. Even so, because this is at the money, if I show all, and let's take a look. 47. So then we have a 7 at $50,000. And I believe, well, on my application, on the app, I talked to some guys. I see some put some calls at $55,000, and so you got a couple ones down here that kind of not showing on the computer. I don't know why, but even like $100,000. So you go up to right before, not too long ago, the max on the Bitcoin strike price would be $100,000. Let's see how far the contracts. $180,000, and you have a prior settle 175 3. So these numbers here at CME Group kind of show me that I think, of course, the numbers on the put side is way bigger for prior settle. I don't know if this is something that we have to look now at. Let's take a okay. Let's see over here. All zeros. I don't know why. But anyway, let's go to settlements. All out. Okay. So in settlements, you don't see much going on. On the put side is a prior open interest, prior day open interest. Right now, as you can see, it's 43 at the max, and more than 30. But if you look at calls, 285, 282, 255, and $50,000. 55.14. Then from, let me see, what's the last? I think it's 45 with 48 puts on open interest. Of course, both show zero volume, but I think we're gonna see the price. They're gonna try to keep. This is the closing at 44,090. So they try to keep the price in this range for tomorrow. That way we don't have a gap down. And the date of the proof was supposed to be January the 10th, which is going to be on the next week on a Wednesday. That's the deadline for the approval for the ETF by SEC. So, of course, that comes up. Those contracts 47, 45, and so on, it's gonna hit it big time. We're gonna have a lot of racket, a lot of people is gonna lose pretty much everything, out there, the shorts, and I believe Bitcoin is gonna hit it. So why you see this kind of red at the behind it? Okay, before in the weekly chart, I draw. Normally, what I do when I see like the bars like this, I drew like a small ones right on the top, kind of show like what, because I set up somewhere that's supposed to be. Let me see. Delete the old broken box. So every time the old box is broken by poor resistance, it disappears. So you only see it like this one is still going on because I draw on the top this. So that's the reason in the weekly chart we have every other chart like red, because this one, because this only shows some of those timing. See here, 1 hour, a big support at 42 and 43 to 200. Bring this channel break, but hit at the bottom over here. Then still people buying at this point. It's not oversold. Also, it's not overbought. So let's take a look on the weekly. It's 100% overbought on my RSI multi-link. So my final thought on this Bitcoin situation at this point, I don't think, and I see so many things that Bitcoin for the last 7 years. I don't think we gonna see a sell big time over here. If you look at like it's, I don't know what kind of draw. I can tell you right here is a cup and handle, or if it's it looks more like a cup and handle somewhere like over here, and then the handle, and then that means. But the only problem for me at this point that I've been seeing for the week, couple weeks already, is this like heavily short position at this price around the 45. That's the reason we didn't went through 45. We hit the 45,000 and then it corrects. So I believe the ETF approval on next week, the 10th, and the Bitcoin, this is gonna disappear. This reddish red block, and then we're gonna go close to the, we guys see like up to $180,000. So, but I don't know if it's gonna go that far, but I would say at least we're gonna hit the all-time high for sure. Based on what I see, the CME Group kind of show on the situation that we have. Okay, guys, one more time, thank you for watching, and